And cowboy, change your ways, today oh, with us you will ride, trying to catch the devil's herd across the endless sky, across the endless sky. Yippee-yi-yay, yippee-yi-yay, yippee-yi-yo. Ghost riders in the sky. Ghost riders in the for you, that's who is you know who. To each and every one of you, happy Halloween to you, a boop to you and 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 you.
Hey! All right, everybody, when we say hey, you're supposed to say what? Let's try that again. Hey!
What?
What kind of ghost haunts a hen house?
What kind?
A poultrygeist.
Boop to you and 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 you.
Hey!
What?
Where did the ghost go on vacation?
Where?
The Boo-Hamas.
Boop to you and 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 you.
Hey!
What?
Why do skeletons have low self-esteem?
Why?
Because they have no body to love.
That was good.
Boop to you and 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 you.
Hey!
What?
Why can't a ghost tell a lie?
Why?
Because you can see right through him.
For you, that's who is you know who. Please let one of you happy Halloween.
Trick or treat. Thank you.
Thank you. Dad, you have your mother come to you.
Super proud that you guys are here because you know what? Like you said, that I really should make sure that I know how to do some things for the holiday, for Halloween. And so I wanted to quickly sing for you my Halloween song. And if you guys know it, I want you to sing along. You might recognize the tune, so please feel free to sing with me. Here we go. Oh, Halloween, Halloween, zombies all the way. Always will come after you no matter what you say. Hey! Halloween, Halloween, the candy you will crave. Oh, what fun it is to writhe in a one corpse open grave.
Woo!
Once you cross that bridge, my friend, the headless horseman's power is. When you're riding home tonight, make for the bridge with all your might. He'll be down in the hollow there. He needs your head. Look out! Beware! With a hip and a Liberty Club. He He's out looking for a head to swap. So don't try to figure out a plan. You can't reason with a head